Welcome to the basics of greeting for conversations. Greetings are the foundation of good communication and the first step in building connections with others. Let's get started on making every conversation a great one.
Hello. Hello. Let's say it again. Hello. Hi. Hi. Let's say it again. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Let's say it again. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Let's say it again. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Let's say it again. Good evening. How are you? How are you? Let's say it again. How are you? What's up? What's up? Let's say it again. What's up? What's new? What's new? Let's say it again. What's new? What's going on? What's going on? Let's say it again. What's going on? How's it going? How's it going? Let's say it again. How's it going? How are you doing? How are you doing? Let's say it again. How are you doing? How's everything? How's everything? Let's say it again. How's everything? How's your day? How's your day? Let's say it again. How's your day? How's your day going? How's your day going? Let's say it again. How's your day going? Long time no see. Long time no see. Let's say it again. Long time no see. It's been a while. It's been a while. Let's say it again. It's been a while. How have you been? How have you been? Let's say it again. How have you been? Good to see you. Good to see you. Let's say it again. Good to see you. It's been a long time. It's been a long time. Let's say it again. It's been a long time. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Let's say it again. It's nice to meet you. What's happening? What's happening? Let's say it again. What's happening? How's everything with you? How's everything with you? Let's say it again. How's everything with you? Hello, how's your family? Hello, how's your family? Let's say it again. Hello, how's your family? How are things? How are things? Let's say it again. How are things? It's nice to finally meet you. It's nice to finally meet you. Let's say it again. It's nice to finally meet you. Hi. Hope everything is okay. Hi. Hope everything is okay. Let's say it again. Hi. Hope everything is okay. Hi, how's life you treating you? Hi, how's life you treating you? Let's say it again. Hi, how's life you treating you?
Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.